Hi everyone, it's Miss Owen here at BMS, and I'm here to show you how to use the distributive property. So when we distribute, we have to think what term is on the outside of the parentheses that I need to distribute. So the term that's on the outside in this problem is my A. A has to go and greet the B and the positive C by multiplication. So A times B is AB, and A times C is positive AC. Okay, so let's look at a few examples with numbers and variables. So example 1. Example 1 is 4 times, in parentheses, 6y plus 7. So we have 4 times the quantity of 6y plus 7. So what term is going to distribute to the 6y and the 7, and it's the 4. So 4 is going to be multiplied by the 6y. 4 times 6y is 24y, and then 4 times positive 7 is positive 28. Okay, another example, 2. 2 times x minus 6. So what term is on the outside that needs to be distributed? It's the 2. 2 is going to go and greet the x. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times, notice that this 6 is negative. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. Let's look at an example where we have a negative term on the outside that needs to be distributed. So example 3. If we have, for example, negative 5 times 3x minus 2. The negative 5 is what we're going to distribute to the 3x and to the negative 2. So what is negative 5 times 3x? Well, negative 5 times 3 is negative 15, and the x stays with it. And now negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10, so we're going to write down plus 10. So it's very important remembering that two negatives make a positive, a negative times a positive is a negative, and then a positive times a positive is a positive. So let's remember those negative and positive rules. So the last example. This one is 2 times 3x plus 4y minus 6. So this time the 2 is going to go and greet 3 different terms here. So 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times positive 4y is positive 8y. And 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. So I said that was the last example, but I want to show you one more. So let's do one more. Example 5. And this one you might see some problems like this in your homework. So example 5. Sometimes the term that you're distributing is on the other side. So for example, if we have the quantity of y minus 3 times 6, we're still distributing the term that's on the outside. We're still going to distribute the 6. So 6 times y is 6y, and 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. Now, it's okay if you want to rewrite these problems when they seem backwards to us. We can always rewrite them. You can rewrite it as 6 times the quantity of y minus 3, and you'll see that you'll get the same answer. So 6 times y is 6y. 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. So I hope this was helpful. This is the distributive property. And if you like what you see, please click like and subscribe to my channel. See you all soon.